Hi everyone, and welcome back to our new member series. Continuing from our last video, we will now be focusing on navigating and utilizing the search features in Paragon Pro. Once you're on your Paragon dashboard, these are the 3 places where you can search within Paragon. First, I'll be going over the quick search. To customize your quick search, you press the gear button here, and it'll take you to your available fields. Here is all of the fields that are available for you to choose from. And over here are the selected fields, and this is what is populating in your quick search already. You have up to 15 items that you can mix and match and customize with your available fields. Here you can look up specific fields if you can't find it with scrolling. You can look up bathrooms, bedrooms, price, and in the middle here is the classes that you can choose from. Here are all the different classes. Just note that some fields are not available in some classes, so bedrooms, for example, would not be available in the land class. To select a field, you can choose the field that you would like and double click on it. You can double click to unadd it from your selected fields as well, like this. And you can also move up and down. This is going to make the class the first thing that I see once my quick search is populated. You can also select by clicking on it and add it with the widgets in the middle. And do the same thing to remove or move up. You can remove it or remove all of them and start over. Over here is the save key, where it tells you all of the options that you have to save your quick searches. Here at the top of your dashboard is your power search. Your power search is used to search listings, saved searches, contacts, members, and offices. You can also use quotes to search exact phrases, and you would be able to view up to 10 matches for each type of search. Lastly, I'll be going over the search icon. This is where you can customize and search within different classes. Once you're in a selected class, you're going to notice that there's 3 containers: the primary, secondary, and advanced criteria. To customize these containers, you want to press Customize in Fields. You would customize this the exact way that you customize quick search, but notice how you cannot change a class. You can only select available fields to go in different containers. Once you've saved and customized each class, you do have to go back into a different class and customize them as you wish. Here you can save your search. Here you can update the last search. And here is where you can load any of your saved searches. Again, don't forget to go back into each class and update your fields. That's how you utilize the search tools within Paragon Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to continue watching the new member series to make the most out of your membership.